All right, here we go. So if you're anything like me, you don't like this floating, well, this midsection start menu here. I think if the start menu is going to be here, a few things need to be changed. First and foremost, you need to actually remove this massive white bar, make these icons a bit more contrasty, and also not have the physical, well, not the physical, but the software start menu start button here. I want my start menu back to the left. So to go ahead and do this, you're going to right click on the taskbar. When it says taskbar settings, you click on that. From there, you're going to have this window come up. When this window comes up, you're going to have all these options I showed you guys how to turn off here, but you're going to go down to taskbar behaviors at the bottom here, the very bottom. And there you have an option to say taskbar alignment, and you're going to do either center if you want it in the center, or you're going to do left if you want it on the left. And yeah, that's how you move your start menu back to the left. And there we have it. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and more videos incoming.